is occurring or is imminent. Additional The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County, southeastern Morgan County, northwestern Brown County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Martinsville, or 14 miles north of Bloomington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Martinsville around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mahalaisville around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Morgantown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Brown, Monroe, and Morgan. Flood advisory